Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and T-SQL tutorial series. So today we are going to discuss about how to create, alter and drop a database. So to create a database, below is the syntax create database name. So once you create a database graphically using the designer or using a query, the following two files gets generated automatically. MDM file, data file, contains actual data. LDF file, transaction log file, used to recover the database. So let's see that. Okay, so create database name. So created. Let me refresh. So database is there. So this is a query. By using query, we will create a database. How to create? To graphically, right? Create. Right click on database. Click on new database. Here we can give the test demo db. Okay. So we will see where it is stored. See, automatically the log files are creating. Let me create. Click OK. So now we have created two databases. One is TechieStudy and TestDemo. Let's check the two files is generated or not. MDF and LDF files. See. So TechieStudy MDF and TechieStudy underscore log LDF files, both files are generated. Which path? In this path. Cancel and remove last line. Click OK. Let's see. So click here and paste the path. Continue. See here it's created. So temp db and test demo log, TechieStudy log, test demo. So tempdb by default system databases all MDF LDF files already there. So which we have created two databases. So those LDF MDF files created in the path. So if you want, we can configure different paths as well. Okay. Next, how to alter database existing one. So this is the schema. Syntax: alter database name, modify name equals to new database name. Alternatively, we can use also system store procedure. This is the one. Execute sp underscore rename db, old database name and new database name. So to delete or drop database, below are the syntaxes. So drop database name that you want to drop the database. So if we will drop the database, automatically LDF and MDF files will delete automatically in the respective path. That we will see it now. So by using syntax, which we saw a syntax, we are going to modify the database. TechieStudy to TechieStudies. Okay. So let me execute. It's done. So let's go ahead and refresh. See, it's refresh. It's renamed. So at the same time, we can also do the by using sp underscore rename db. There is a three ways. Two ways is completed. One more way, right click, rename. Okay. There is a three ways. One is graphical user interface. Two is one of the alter database syntax. One is execute sp underscore rename db in syntax. So next slide. Go to the next slide. So you cannot drop a database if it is currently in use. You will get an error, cannot drop database, new database name, which we have created database, because it is in currently use state. So if other users are connected, you need to put database in single user mode, then drop the database. So this is the syntax. Below is the syntax: alter database name, set single user with rollback immediate. So what rollback immediate will do here, with rollback immediate option, will roll back all incompleted transactions and closes the connection to the database with users connected to the database. That's what it will do it, and then automatically it will drop the database. Let's go ahead and drop the database. So it will, what it will behave, let's see. So let me drop database now. What it will says, it's already dropped, right? Because I haven't used that. Okay, so let me create database and let me use that. Let's see that now. So it should give the error. So why? Because I am using that database currently. Let's see what it will give the error. See, cannot drop database case study because it is in currently in use. Okay, whatever the mission, developers mission is connected, multiple developers will connect in organization with the same database. Usually we won't drop the database. It's an example we are showing. Okay, it will show this error. How to, in this case, how to delete the database. So in that case, we need to set it to the database to single user, then it will delete the drop the database, delete or drop the database. So I have set it to the single user mode. Let me refresh here. See, now it's changed to single user. If you will see properties, come on. So this is already opened in single user. Okay, so let me drop now and see how it goes. Drop database is done. Okay, now go ahead and check that MDF LDF files are there or not. See, now there is no MDF, both files are deleted. Once the database is deleted, both the LDF and MDF files will be deleted. Okay, here see, primary data file and transaction log file, both files will delete automatically once we drop or delete the database. Let me show you one more option, graphical user interface, how to set a single user mode. Okay, options, go to the options here. See, restrict access multi-user. Now we can change here as a single user as well, which we have previously configured by using the query, this one. Okay, the same time we can go to the properties, options, single user to multi-user we can select. Yes. Okay, this is the way we need to use create database, alter and drop or delete databases. These are the steps we need to follow. So I hope you understand the session. If you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends, and do comment, like, share. Thank you. Bye bye.